Welcome to episode 5. A good intervention begins with a correct understanding of the problem. If we misunderstand the problem, we may implement many activities without providing an effective solution. Before we proceed to the main lesson, here is an important learning recommendation. Do not rush through the episode simply to complete it. If any concept is unclear, pause the audiobook and replay the relevant section. Take a moment to explain the concept in your own words and consider how you would apply it to a practical example from your workplace. Proceed with the lesson when you are confident that you understand the concept and can relate it to a strategic plan, program, or project, whether the project is formally structured or not. A problem tree helps us analyze a core problem, its causes, and its effects. Imagine a tree. The trunk represents the core problem, the roots represent causes, the branches represent effects. Suppose the core problem is significant delays in service delivery. Direct causes may include lengthy procedures, limited staff competence, an unreliable information system, or unclear responsibilities. Root causes may include weak process review, insufficient training, poor system maintenance, or planning that does not consider workload. Effects may include customer complaints, additional costs, reduced public confidence, and failure to achieve institutional targets. Do not confuse a problem with the absence of your preferred solution. For example, lack of training may be a cause, but we should ask, which specific competence is missing, among whom? How does that gap contribute to the core problem? A problem statement should describe an existing negative condition rather than prematurely presenting a solution. After developing the problem tree, we convert it into an objective tree. Negative statements are transformed into desired positive conditions. The core problem, significant delays in service delivery, may become timely service delivery is improved. The cause, lengthy procedures, becomes procedures are simplified. Limited employee competence becomes employee competence is strengthened. The effect, high customer complaints, becomes customer satisfaction is improved. The objective tree demonstrates a means-to-ends relationship. Improvements at lower levels support the achievement of higher-level objectives. Not every cause must be addressed by one project. The team selects priority areas based on importance, feasibility, mandate, and available resources. This is strategy analysis. The problem tree prevents teams from jumping directly to activities. The objective tree provides a foundation for the results chain, theory of change, and logical framework. Before proceeding to the next episode, pause the audiobook and practice this reflection exercise. Write one core workplace problem, list 3 causes below it and 3 effects above it. Then convert each negative statement into a positive objective. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to John Wingear Academy. Please also share this audiobook with colleagues and others who want to strengthen their monitoring and evaluation knowledge and competence. I am Mr. John Wingear, transforming theory to practice.